Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. So today I'm so excited to show you guys my empty apartment tour. I do want to say this real quick. So I moved from Augusta, Georgia to Charlotte, North Carolina, which is about a 3-hour drive. So when you walk in here and you see the kitchen, there's stuff on the kitchen counter. I hired movers, but there were also things like my camera and my laptop that I wanted to myself, and I wanted to make sure that they didn't get damaged or anything like that. So that was just a mess, and I realized when I went through the footage, I was like, oh my gosh, I wish I would have moved that into a closet. But I was on just such a time crunch because the movers were on their way, and I definitely wanted to go ahead and get in here and film this video. I had literally just seen the apartment before, for the first time, before I filmed it for you guys. So we're kind of viewing it for the first time together because I did make this move without actually coming to check out the apartment, because that was a whole nother hassle. It was very difficult because I literally knew nothing about Charlotte other than the fact that we came to visit one time, fell in love, and I was like, okay, if we're gonna do this, we need to do it now. And it was kind of one of those things where it was kind of quick and it needed to be done, and I needed to find a place, and I need to have it secured. So with that being said, we are looking at it together for the first time. And if I sound unenthusiastic, it's because, and if I sound like I'm not excited, it's because I was so overwhelmed and I didn't know what to expect. I was just a little overwhelmed, and I was also trying to get through. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into my Charlotte, North Carolina apartment tour. Okay, so you walk in the front door, you have a closet, washer and dryer. It's not exciting, but ta-da! Then you have, this is the eating area, obviously. And then you have Bella, sweet girl, island. I can't wait to show you guys this all furnished, but that's the kitchen. Have pretty good space. Nice oven, stove and microwave. This fridge is gonna be interesting for us because we're not used to having this little bit of space, but it's okay, it's nice. It's very nice. Good bit of storage. And then we also have storage here, well, just under the sink stuff. There's our sink, there's our dishwasher, island, which I absolutely love. So there you have the eat-in area, or the area where you put the table, couch, living room, whatever. And then you have this pantry, which is nice. The living room is definitely very small, but it's okay. We definitely downgraded, and we knew this, so we're okay with it, obviously. This is the kids' bathroom, which is actually really nice. I'm jealous of their shower because that's what I want in my bathroom, but anyways. This is Kentrell's room. Try not to show that.
Try to show what?
The outside. This is his closet. And then you come out. Little closet. This is Ava's room. They already have their blinds already opened. This is her closet, which these are really good sized closets, which is probably where a lot of my furniture is gonna go, because this is definitely a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. This is actually my first time seeing this, so there's not much to it, but this is my bedroom, my bathroom. You have doot. And then storage behind, which is nice. And then I have a garden tub, which I would prefer to just have a shower, but it is what it is. Oh yes, I also have a linen closet too. So nice storage. This definitely has a lot of storage in here, which is really nice. And then you walk out, and this is my bedroom. So bed, end tables. I don't know what's gonna go here. I don't know. Usually I do my makeup in front of the mirror, so maybe my vanity will go there. And then TV. And then there's a little hallway. And I want to say that my closet is probably the same size as the kids'. They have lights, they do. So there you go. And that's the apartment. So again, here is the kitchen area, or no, the dining area. And then you have the door. It's really nice. We love it. How do you love your new home? What do you think? What do you think? So I hope that you guys enjoyed. For those of you that don't know, I am a single mom. I have 2 kids. We moved from Augusta, Georgia to Charlotte, North Carolina. And the reason behind that was just because I wanted something different. I wanted something new. Both of my kids were starting new schools to begin with. So I figured let's just go ahead and just do this now. Because if I didn't do it now, I was never going to do it. And I knew that. And I just had this strong feeling that this is where we were meant to be. And I made this move and it was crazy. I sold about 80% to maybe 90% of my belongings, so all of our things fit into a 15-foot truck. I moved from a 4-bedroom, 2,500 square foot house to a 12, almost 1,300, 3-bedroom square foot apartment. Okay, 1,300, about a 12 to 1,300 square foot 3-bedroom apartment. So we definitely had to downsize, and I sold a ton of my belongings. So it was really fun getting in here and being able to redecorate and do all of those things. We are almost done as far as just getting in the rest of the furniture. I definitely am super excited to get in here and start decorating. I do have all of my furniture for the most part is here. We're just waiting on the couch and the dining table, which is supposed to go back there. And then we're gonna start putting things on the wall. So definitely look out for a furnished apartment tour very, very soon. I say no later than October, beginning of November. This should be fully furnished, fully done. I am a no BS kind of person. Like we literally were unpacked, fully functioning in this home by day 3. Like I just get right to it. I unpack. I had all of my furniture ordered and most of it was here, and so we just got to work. I cannot stand to have boxes and live out of boxes or suitcases. I did that for long enough in my last home. So yeah, we had this place fully functioning within 3 days, and so I'm definitely gonna have a full furnished tour up very soon because it will be fully furnished very soon. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you learned anything from this video, I say follow your dreams, follow your passion. We only have one life to live, and if you're sitting there constantly in your comfort zone, you're not going to grow and you're not going to achieve the things that you want to achieve. You have to get out of your comfort zone in order to grow and in order to chase after your dreams. And that's what this whole move was all about, was me knowing that there was something better and bigger for me out there, and me being, pushing aside those fears and be willing to go and chase after them. And this could be the biggest mistake ever, or it could be the best thing that has ever happened to me, and I am betting on this being the best thing that has ever happened. And here I am, I'm 40, about to turn 41. I have 2 kids, they're growing. I have a teen and a preteen, so I'm definitely in that stage of life where I'm transitioning from solely mom to definitely wanting to get out there and start dating again. And I just feel like this place has so much to offer, not just for me personally, but also for me and my business and all that's to come. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, definitely subscribe, click the notification bell so you're notified of every single upload, and I will see you guys in the next one.